Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This is my personal experience using the site. Today, we're taking a closer look at myonlinefashionstore.com. This online retailer offers a wide selection of clothing and accessories, and I wanted to share my thoughts on navigating their website and browsing their inventory. The homepage is fairly straightforward, featuring prominent categories like new arrivals, dresses, tops, and shoes. These categories make it easy to quickly find what you're looking for. I also noticed a dedicated sales section, which is always a bonus for bargain hunters like myself. While the website's layout is generally user-friendly, I did find the search function to be a little less intuitive than I'd prefer. Specifically, when searching for specific items, the results weren't always as precise as they could be. For example, when I searched for red dress, I got results for various shades of red and even some pink dresses. This might require a bit more refining on their end. Despite this minor drawback, the site's navigation is still quite manageable, and I was ultimately able to find what I was looking for. Another aspect I appreciated was the detailed product descriptions. Each item listing includes information about sizing, materials, and care instructions, which is crucial when shopping online. They also provide multiple product photos, often showcasing the item from different angles. This gives you a much better idea of what to expect when your order arrives. One suggestion I'd make is to include customer reviews. Reviews offer valuable insights from other shoppers and can significantly influence purchasing decisions. Overall, myonlinefashionstore.com offers a decent online shopping experience. The website is visually appealing, and the product selection is extensive. While the search functionality could be improved, the detailed product information and multiple photos compensate for this. Adding customer reviews would definitely enhance the user experience even further. Be sure to check out the link in the description and let me know your thoughts in the comments below.